BMW's M Exhibition division, purveyor of land rockets like the M3 and M5 vehicles, has dropped a dragster SUV on the tall speedster class. Opening over the 3-column X7 in BMW's SUV setup, the new XM is an all-new two-line hybrid with serious brandishing goals. The 2023 XM styling is propelled by the XM idea from 2021. Albeit restrained, it's as yet a forceful plan with expanding kidney-formed grille openings, stacked tailpipes, and a marginally slanted rooftop that clues at a fastback shape. In the engine is a 644 horsepower module crossbreed powertrain that gets its muscle from a twin-turbocharged V8. Around 30 miles of electric just driving ought to be conceivable with a completely energized battery, yet the XM's presentation potential has our advantage provoked. A twin-turbocharged 4.4-litre V8 isn't new to the BMW powertrain portfolio yet. In the XM it's joined forces with an electric engine and a battery pack to make an incredible 644 drive. During our most memorable test drive, we noticed the powertrain's quick punch and assessed that it ought to get the XM to 60 miles per hour in around 3.8 seconds. Whenever we have an opportunity to test it on our home turf, we'll refresh this story with the outcomes. However, assuming our gauge is right, that would put the XM in a difficult situation when contrasted with other execution SUVs like the Lamborghini Urus and the Porsche Cayenne Super SE half-breed, the two of which conveyed 0 to 60 mph seasons of 3.2 seconds in our testing. The XM utilizes a loop spring suspension framework that is increased by versatile dampers and dynamic enemy of roll bars. The outcome isn't quite as consistent and created as it would be had BMW decided to offer an air suspension. However, in the solace driving mode, the ride is nowhere near rebuffing. At the point when set to game, the XM's dealing with is responsive and excited, which makes it great fun on a twisty street. All that about the XM's lodge is very good quality, including its discretionary one-of-a-kind look calfskin upholstery that was first displayed on the Idea vehicle. The XM's lodge is completely a two-line undertaking, and instead of an enormous all-encompassing sunroof, the XM can be had with a mathematical designed fake calfskin main event that highlights fiber optic lighting that is utilized to sensational impact. A discretionary sound overhaul adds Nooks and Wilkins' precious stone encompass sound framework with tweeters that enlighten.